Good morning, guys. So, we are coming to you from the canyon. Wasn't able to get a video out this weekend to you guys, so one of those weeks, things got crazy over the weekend, but luckily there was also no recoveries either. So, but we do have something in store for you this weekend out at Knowles. It's BOR race. It's the Bonneville Off-Road Racing out at Knowles, Saturday, August 26th at 7 a.m. So if you guys are in the area, come on out. I'll be there all day. I'm doing the recoveries for the race. Appreciate everything you guys do, everything you guys comments, likes, all that stuff. Always do. So come on out, check it out, have a good time. Meanwhile, I'm going to get back in this big green thing and go back to work. So thanks again, guys.